Hello friends, how are you all? Yesterday I told you that we will be discussing the question and answer short notes and explain the statement for the following reason in the next video. So I am here with you to discuss. I hope you have read the lesson once and noted down the objectives. I had even given you the name, the following and all that. We will be discussing some conceptual charts also of this lesson. Even though it is not given in the textbook, we will be doing that. So first is social work of Vittal Ramji Shinde. Social work of Vittal Ramji Shinde. The goal of Maharshi Vittal Ramji Shinde was to make Dalits self-respectful, well-educated and engaged in work. That is first point. Second, he worked to destroy the delusive ideas regarding Dalits in the minds of upper caste. Third, he founded the Depressed Classes Missions for the Progress of Dalits in 1906. To achieve this, he started Marathi schools and work schools in parts of Parel, Deonar in Mumbai. He actively took part in various movements which were related to the welfare of the Dalits like Satyagraha for entry in Parvati Temple at Pune, Shetkari Parishad of Dalits and federal electorates. It is there in the textbook also. Even then, if you wish to write from video, you can write. We have completed the social work of Vittal Ramji Shinde. Now we are discussing reforms of Rajashri Sahu Maharaj in the state of Kolhapur. For those who are not able to write, for them I am sending this. Those who have written, well and good. Those who have not written can write now. Rajashri Sahu Maharaj worked for abolishing of caste discrimination, point number 1. Second, he made revolutionary declaration for reservation in the state of Kolhapur. He made law for free and compulsory primary education. He worked to remove restrictions on interdining, intermarriage and change of occupation in the caste system. He passed the Act of Intercaste Marriage and made it legal in state. He abolished Balutadari system by publishing a declaration in the Government Gazette of the state of Kolhapur on 22nd February 1918. Next point, that is point number 7. This allowed people to practice any occupation and freed them from the type of social slavery. In book it is just given in paragraph and I have given you point by point so that you can read it. So these two are there in the short notes. Now we will be discussing about explain the following statement with reason. See, this is very important from the point of view. ये ट्रू और फॉल्स के रूप में भी आ सकता है. अभी दोस्तों आपको ट्रू और फॉल्स में भी रीजन देना पड़ेगा. So explain the statement with reason. The first one is the government decided to crush down the communist movement. The government decided to crush down the communist movement. The Communist Party was formed in India in 1925. The Communist Party was formed in India in 1925. The young communist leaders started building a militant organization of workers and peasants. The British government started feeling the danger of communist movement and hence decided to crush it. Understood? Third point, the British government started feeling the danger of communist movement and hence decided to crush it. Next is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar started newspaper like Mook Nayak Bahishkrut Bharat. You have to give the reasons for this. So you very well know that he has started many newspaper, among them Mook Nayak and Bahishkrut Bharat were there. So why he started that we want. Now answer. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar wanted to establish a society based on principles of liberty, equality and fraternity. He intended to carry out movement to establish self-respect and social equality for Dalits. It was necessary to create awakening in society in this respect and to voice their grief. The newspaper was an integral part of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's movement. Hence he started many newspapers so that his idea and thoughts reached the society. Okay friends. Next is, there arose a need of nationwide workers' union. In the later half of the 19th century, textile mills, railway companies, and such other industries were started in India. The workers' group were not aroused on large scale. As there were no unions, the workers were not organized. After the First World War, there was a rise of worker class in India due to industrialization. Therefore, a necessity was felt for a nationwide worker union. Okay, so these are the give reasons given in your textbook. Shall we discuss some conceptual charts? First is the leaders of Congress Socialist Party. 4 blocks you have to form, and in the middle block you have to write leaders of Congress Socialist Party. That is the question. So leaders are Jayaprakash Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev, Meenu Masani, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. Okay. Chart number 2. Social reformers who work to eradicate untouchability. There were 5 to 6 social reformers. So you can write at least 4. One is Mahatma Phule. Second is Narayan Guru, Periyar Ramaswamy, Maharishi Vittal Ramji Shinde. If you want, you can add Rajashri Sahu Maharaj. And while explaining, I also told that न्यूज़पेपर के बारे में conceptual chart आ सकता है. तो one more conceptual chart, please note down. Newspaper started by Ambedkar. You can either form blocks one below the other, या फिर 2 ऊपर 2 नीचे ऐसे ब्लॉक्स भी आप बना सकते हो, जैसा आपको चाहिए, लेकिन कंसेप्चुअल चार्ट के रूप में ही बनाना है. न्यूज़पेपर स्टार्टेड बाय डॉक्टर अंबेडकर. जनता, समता, मूक नायक, बहिष्कृत भारत. ये दूसरे न्यूज़पेपर आप नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक में अभी ये लेसन में यही दिए, और भी बहुत इसने स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल अपन वही पेपर्स लिख सकते हैं जो कि टेक्स्ट बुक में है. ओके, तो विल दिस डू? दिस काइंड ऑफ चार्ट्स यू मे गेट, बिकॉज टेक्स्ट बुक में चार्ट्स एज सच कुछ दिया नहीं है. अभी अपन बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर की तरफ दोस्तों. Why was the struggle for equality important in making of modern India? Struggle for equality क्यों important थी modern India बनाने में? India achieved freedom because of freedom struggle. Point number 1.